Hi and welcome to my channel Power of Makeup. Today we will clear pimples from skin. Your skin can be your friend if it is clear, and it can be your enemy if it has pimples. You love your skin protects from harm material and keep your internals clear. And then one day a pimple with ugly head appears on your face and suddenly you start hating your skin and you'll start using hard chemical products which will also harm your skin. Instead of using hard chemical products, what you can do is use natural home remedies to get rid of pimples without make your skin harm. For our first remedy, we will be using ice. Yes, ice gives instant cure to the pimple. To some extent, it clears the redness and inflammation and swelling of the pimples. So, if you're going somewhere today and want to reduce the pimple instantly, you can use this remedy. Ice can be used to quickly reduce the redness, swelling, and inflammation of pimples. What you have to do is clean your face with normal cleanser and dry it. Take a cubed ice in your hand and put it on the pimple. If it feels too cold, then alternatively you can put ice cubes or crushed ice into cloth and have it on your face. Do not rub it. Let it on pimples for 2 minutes and take it off. Wait for a few minutes and repeat the process. And the third time, you will see clear effects. Second remedy which I'm going to tell you can be followed by the ice remedy. When they both are used, it gives instant effect on pimples. What we are going to use is your regular toothpaste we all use in the morning. We are going to use white toothpaste, not one with gel or other colors. You have to apply some white toothpaste over the pimple head in the night and let it be there overnight. In the morning, wash it with warm water. You will see clear impact on the pimple swelling. This remedy can be used in daytime too, but you have to make sure that it sits on pimple head for half an hour. For our third remedy, we are going to use honey and cinnamon. Both are naturally antibacterial and antimicrobial killing effects. When mixed together, they are very effective in killing pimples. What you have to do is take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 3 teaspoons of honey. If you can find Monaco honey, which is especially because it's from New Zealand, has miracle effects for killing acne, you can use that honey with cinnamon. Blend the cinnamon to make powder, then mix it with honey. Clean your face with normal soap and then dry it. Apply this all over the pimple heads and let it be there overnight. And wash it in the morning. So our fourth remedy, we are going to use egg whites to clear pimples and acne. Egg whites is very cheap, effective, easy and fast way to clear pimples. This also clears dark spots and marks. Egg whites is very rich in vitamins and amino acids which helps in clearing and destroying pimples and prevent them reappearing on your face. So here are 3 egg whites which I separated from their yolks. After separating them from their yolks, you have to let them for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, apply the egg whites on acne and pimple head by using cotton. You can also use your fingers to apply the egg whites. Then let them dry and repeat it for 3 minutes. Reapply for 3 minutes and let them for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your face with warm water. If you want to see clear result, you have to apply this remedy for about 1 to 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you will see the best results on your face. In our fifth remedy, we are going to use strawberries and honey. Acne can be caused by excess accumulation of sebum can cleared off with nutrients in this food. The acidic nature of strawberries enables it to remove excess oil in the skin. The acidic nature is primary active ingredient in some commercial-made acne treatment creams. The acidic nature of strawberries can remove excess oil, which causes pimples, and clear its cells faster. What you have to do is first crush the strawberries, then add 2 teaspoons of honey and make a paste. Put this paste in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes so it will feel more soothing on the skin. Apply this paste for 15 minutes, then wash off your face with plain water. Regularly using this remedy will If you will use this remedy regularly, you will see best results on your face. In our sixth remedy, we are going to use tomatoes, because when your face pores are closed with dirt and oil, they make pimples. What tomatoes does, it clears the skin, keeps it clean and healthy. Its antioxidant properties protect skin and works as anti-aging thing and clear weighting of the pimples. Tomatoes have antimicrobial properties which helps in clearing blackheads, whiteheads, and tightening skin pores. To make a paste, you have to cut the tomatoes in small pieces, have them in bowl. With the help of a fork, mash the tomatoes to make a paste. You can also blend the tomatoes in blender. After making a paste, apply this paste on your face for about 1.5 hours. Then wash your face with plain water. If you want best result, you have to use this remedy for 1 to 2 weeks. After 1 to 2 weeks, you will see best results on your face. In our seventh and last remedy, we are going to use baking soda. Baking soda is very famous for its uses for pimples and clearing acne, and it's also easy, cheap, and natural way. Its antiseptic properties destroys fungus, bacteria, and clears the excess oil. Baking soda also increases the growth of new skin cells, which make your skin glowing and smoother. To prepare a mask, you have to mix equal part of baking soda and water to make a paste. After making the paste, apply this paste on your face for about 20 minutes. Then wash your face with plain water. If you really want a pimple-free or acne-free face, you have to give a chance to one of these remedies. These remedies will surely help you to remove pimples and acne. This is all for today. Hope you like my work. Give it a thumbs up. Want more? Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Stay safe and blessed.